Hello guys, in today's video I'm trying to solve this starting problem on this 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. It started the problem a few days, which when you start it, it's just starting a little and cutting off. So then I opened the hood and guess what I found on the battery pole here. If you can look closely, you can see it's very corroded here, and plus it's missing these two screws. So I went ahead and purchased the two screws, and now I will have to take this negative battery terminal off to clean it up and take out all this corroded white stuff on it. So let's get to it. So now, as you can see, this terminal has a easy release mechanism here. You just have to turn this off, and then you're able to release the terminal. But in order to get this part off, we will have to remove this bolt. So let me take this out. Okay, now this is off. Now I can rock this off. All right, there we go. So this bolt is a 13 millimeter. I'm using this ratchet to take it off. You can see all of the corrosion there. So we're gonna clean all this off. This bolt is so corroded. See, look at all this white stuff. It's kind of stuck there. I'll get it out. Oh, there we go. I'll use this wire brush to clean it out a little bit. And using this wire brush also is really great. Stick it in there and just keep turning. Nice and clean. So now the battery pole and the connector is fully cleaned. Now I'm going to install it back. So now you don't want to over tighten. Just want to tighten just enough. Okay. Alright. So I went ahead and get two bolts and two lock washers for this connector. Let me install those. First you put the lock washer on first, and then you put the bolt. So these bolts are 12 millimeter. Then we'll put the lock back on. Make sure it's nice and tight. So now we're gonna add some WD-40 to the terminals. It also helps with corrosion. add just a little bit. We keep it corrosion free. Also add some for this one. Now we have a ground that is fully connected, and let's try starting the car now. So guys, it starts right up, and it feels a lot stronger than what it was. So we have a fully grounded now, so we don't have a problem right now. So guys, that's it. So guys, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Peace.